So at SGTech, the biggest insight that we've gained while we're developing the AI Impact Series is that enterprises, companies, they're not lack of AI awareness. What they're lacking are actually practical ways to apply AI. In the collaboration with SUTD, we're able to actually support companies to develop ways to leverage AI for the best of their business and for their growth. SGTech brings about the employer demands, real use cases for the enterprises, as well as industry insights, whereas SUTD brings on board the design AI approach and allow us to combine these tools into developing a very tangible and usable innovation to utilize AI in the workplace.
For Vector Green, the AI Impact Series was a game changer for us. We actually got a lot from the whole session, and we now think that AI is no longer a future concept. It's something of a strategic advantage that we have to deploy today.
We have experimented using AI to estimate our printing prices. Usually it takes weeks to complete the whole project, but it's inspiring to see the student actually took up the challenge and complete the simple AI prototypes within hours.
Based on my work, AI is able to help me to craft out social media caption to better target our target audience in a short period of time.
So what was exciting is we actually came away with 3 prototypes. Instead of just thinking about AI just as a technical IT kind of area, they're able to actually think about using AI and how to actually improve their own workflow, their efficiency and productivity, and certainly this has a very positive outcome for all our staff.
What stood out for me about this program is how practical and collaborative it was. And with the help of AI experts from SUTD, we are able to do rapid prototyping. For example, we developed O&M system that allows us to issue ticketing for our services that we provide to the customers.
The course actually helped me to broaden my AI perspective and is able to help me see what kind of processes that is able to help my department work a bit faster and also help us to create some creativity in our work.
What's interesting about coming out of this AI Impact Series is that they become more aware and conscious about how they actually apply these tools in the workplace. We need to actually make sure that we're in compliance with the business policies, with our governance and procedures, and in so to be able to be responsibly using AI for the workplace.
So this course is not boring. It is very hands-on experience. I can apply whatever I learn at work and it makes my life so much easier.
It's also interesting to see that a group of students with age above 50 learning AI. There's more to join. Of course, if you can give more people to join, then my printing machine will be a 无人机.
What is even more satisfying for me as a general manager is when a colleague comes to me with the gleam in his or her eye to say that, you know, boss, I've just managed to solve another problem with AI that previously I would not be able to do so. Instead of the fear in the air about job insecurity, now I'm seeing a bit more energy and enthusiasm about what we can potentially do with all the tools available at our disposal. I encourage organizations, big or small, to start exploring what AI can do for your business.